Good morning, my dear students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine with your family. Welcome to all of you to this video lecture. I am Monojit Kumar Bishwas, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. My dear students, time and tide wait for none. So you should practice continuously. However, today I want to solve a very important math from chapter number 10, that is Introduction to Management Accounting. My dear students, at first I want to show a math. Just follow it. Sales revenues total 2,40,000 taka and per unit taka 8. Less variable expenses total 1,68,000 taka and per unit variable cost 5.60 taka. So contribution margin total 72,000 taka and per unit contribution margin 2.40 taka. Less fixed cost total 60,000 taka. So net profit 12,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Now you have to ascertain the following results. Requirement A, total sales units, variable cost ratio, contribution margin ratio and total cost. Requirement B, break-even point in units, break-even point in taka, break-even point ratio and prove that accuracy or nature of break-even point using income statement. Requirement C, contribution margin and break-even point in taka if contribution margin ratio is 60%. Requirement D, break-even point in taka if variable cost is increased by 20%. Okay, dear students, now let's go to solve the math. Solution. Requirement A. At first, total sales units. Formula is total sales revenues divided selling price per unit. My dear students, in the math, total sales revenues 2,40,000 taka divided selling price per unit taka 8. So total sales units 30,000 units. Okay, dear students. Now variable cost ratio. Formula is variable cost divided sales into 100. My dear students, in this math, total variable cost 1,68,000 taka divided sales 2,40,000 taka into 100. So variable cost ratio is 70%. Okay, dear students. Now contribution margin ratio. Formula is contribution margin divided sales into 100. My dear students, in this math, total contribution margin 72,000 taka divided total sales 2,40,000 taka into 100. So contribution margin ratio is 30%. My dear students, we can calculate it another way. Contribution margin ratio is contribution margin per unit divided selling price per unit into 100. Here contribution margin per unit 2.40 taka divided selling price per unit taka 8 into 100. So contribution margin ratio is 30%. Okay, dear students. Now the amount of total cost. Here formula is total variable cost plus total fixed cost. Total variable cost 1,68,000 taka plus total fixed cost 60,000 taka. So total cost 2,28,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Now solution of requirement B. At first, break-even point in units. Formula is fixed cost divided contribution margin per unit. My dear students, if you want to calculate break-even point in units, then fixed cost will be divided by contribution margin per unit, not contribution margin ratio. Okay, dear students. So fixed cost 60,000 taka divided contribution margin per unit 2.40 taka. So break-even point in units 25,000 units. Okay, dear student. Now break-even point in taka. Formula is fixed cost divided contribution margin ratio. So 60,000 taka divided 30% or 0.30. So 2 lakh taka. Okay dear students, my dear students, we can calculate it another way. Selling price per unit into break even point units. Selling price per unit taka 8 into break even point 25,000 units. So break even point in taka 2 lakh taka. Okay dear students. Now break even point ratio. Formula is break even point divided sales into 100. So break even point in taka 2 lakh divided sales in taka 2 lakh 40,000 taka into 100. So break even point ratio is 83.33%. Okay dear students, my dear students, we can calculate it another way. Just follow it. Break even point units divided sales units into 100. So 25,000 units divided 30,000 units into 100. So 83.33%. Okay dear students. Now prove that accuracy or nature of break even point. ABC Company Limited income statement. At first, break even sales per unit selling price taka 8 into break even units 25,000 units. So total break even sales taka 2 lakh. Less break even variable cost per unit variable cost 5.60 taka into break even sales units 25,000 units. So total break even variable cost amount is 1,40,000 taka. So contribution margin 60,000 taka less fixed cost 60,000 taka. So profit or loss amount is 0. My dear student, it is proved that in break even point profit or loss amount is 0 taka. Okay dear students. Now solution of requirement C. At first contribution margin. Here formula is sales into contribution margin ratio. Here sales amount 2,40,000 taka into contribution margin ratio 60% according to question. So contribution margin amount is 1,44,000 taka. Okay dear students. Now break even point in taka according to contribution margin ratio 60%. So formula is fixed cost divided contribution margin ratio. Fixed cost amount 60,000 taka divided contribution margin ratio 60% or 0.60 taka. That is 1 lakh taka. Okay dear students. Requirement D. Calculation of break even point in taka. My dear students, in the question is given variable cost per unit is taka 5.60. My dear student, if variable cost increased by 20%, then new variable cost will be 5.60 plus 5.60 into 20%. That is 5.60 plus 1.12 is equal to 6.72 taka per unit variable cost. Okay dear student. So new contribution margin per unit is equal to selling price per unit taka 8 minus new variable cost per unit 6.72. So new contribution margin per unit 1.28 taka. Now break even point units 60,000 taka divided 1.28. So break even point in units 46,875 units. Okay dear student. And break even point in taka. Selling price per unit taka 8 into break even point units 46,875 units. So taka 3,75,000. Okay dear students. My dear students, we can calculate it another way. Just follow it. Break even point in taka. Fixed cost 60,000 taka divided contribution margin ratio 16%. So break even point in taka 3,75,000 taka. Okay dear student, I hope that all of you are clearly understood. If any problem, contact to your respective teacher. Thank you so much.